been inspired by Brandon Murray. He has the Live or Diecast YouTube channel. You guys can go check it out. But I've been inspired by Brandon Murray to do wheel swaps. At least wheel swaps. I want to get more into doing some customs, and I have done some customs. I've done like maybe 6 total, but I'm definitely going to do wheel swaps. He does a thing, Wheel Swap Wednesday. I'm not going to pick a particular day. I'm just going to start trying to find reasons to do wheel swaps. And this is going to be a wheel swap video. I'm going to wheel swap or put different wheels on this Porsche. So what is this, the Porsche 935? Yeah, so let's get to it. Let's change up this camera angle so we can actually see it being done, and let's get to wheel swapping this 935. This is a very good looking car. Here we go, wheel swap. Boom. Man, I am happy with how this turned out. Look at that. That looks amazing. So the wheels, I actually got these wheels from Datsun Man. So Mark, Datsun Man Diecast, he sent me these wheels. And I've had them in my possession for, I don't know, several weeks now. Really didn't know what I was gonna put them on, and then I came across these wheels again. I was like, ooh, those look good on this Porsche, and they do. So, you know, big thanks to Datsun Man for sending me these wheels, and then you know, thanks to Brandon Murray, Live or Diecast, for inspiring me to start doing wheel swaps again. So here it is, guys. This looks amazing. Let's get this. Let's get a photo montage going to this. 'Cause yeah, that looks so good. Photo montage. Here we go.
What's the reason behind the commotion? Why do we have to feel emotions? What's the purpose of all this madness? Why do we struggle so much to control them? Every day is a mess when sometimes I feel like I'm trapped in because of my emotions. I can't seem to control them. Every day is a mess when sometimes I feel like I'm trapped in my emotions. I can't seem to control them. My emotions, my emotions, my emotions.